Welcome to day 22. Today I'm going to be making this cute Christmas tree. The main character of A Nightmare Before Christmas is known worldwide and looks great on this tree. All of these supplies can be found at your local craft store. Look for the clear ball ornaments in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree. You also need black paint pens, white acrylic paint, ribbon, scissors, and a paper towel. Remove the tops from the ornaments and fill with paint. Rotate the ball until the entire inside is completely covered. Once the inside is coated with paint, invert the ball onto the paint bottle and allow the excess paint to drain out. I found a few images of Jack's face with different expression and used my paint pen to add them to the outside of each ornament. Allow all of the paint to dry overnight. Tie a small piece of ribbon with a knot on the top to act as hangers and place the tops back into the ornament. Use more ribbon to make some bow ties to attach them to the tree limbs. I'll make my tree skirt from some black felt. I use some silver beads to act as tinsel. The tree topper is just Jack's face drawn on white cardstock with a black circle in the background. I also added a little ribbon around the edges. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.